In this video, I'm going to show you how to access your phone report. Once you have logged into Power BI, click on Shared with Me. You will see a report called Practice Core Data. Click onto here. Once signed in, you'll be greeted with a daily summary of your phone stats. The phone report on the whole includes total number of inbound calls, total number of answered calls, total number of missed calls, and the average speed of answer of all the calls received within that time period. In addition, it does give you percentages, so it will give you the percentage of calls answered and calls missed. On default, as you log in, it will show you the current today's results. So as you see on the top right, it will present you with the latest update time. Please note, it updates every hour in the morning until 12, after which it's every 2 to 3 hours up until 8 o'clock at night. Once you've logged in, you will see that you have the stats for this time period. If you wish, you can splice the weeks, even the months, to give you a bigger time frame. At the bottom, it shows you the last 7 days, irrespective of the splice at the top. So this won't change, but it gives you an idea of how you've performed over the last 7 days. Percentage calls have answered. This will resize based on the time spliced at the top. This will mirror the bar chart on the right. All these tiles will also change as and when you change the time splice. If you want to see a weekly view of your data, you click on the bottom and click Weekly Summary. It will automatically show you the last week's results in the tiles, which is this section here. And in the bar chart at the bottom, it will show you the last 6 weeks worth of phone data. If you want to get into more detail of your practice, click on the Practice Detail tab. And from here, we can see from each day how you've performed on your phone stats. This is particularly useful in trying to see if your opening times are correct against what IT have your opening times to be. Again, you can also see the last few results of the days on here on the bar chart. We also have an Hours tab. And what this will show you is so you need to reference the time splice at the top. So in the last 1 week, how many calls you've had inbound between the hour of 8 AM for that whole hour. It will show you the green bar being the number of inbound calls, and therefore the number of missed calls you had within that time period. Particularly useful in working out your shift patterns and when you may be peaking to missed calls. Again, it's quite useful to increase the time splice if you want to get a bigger trend to see what your call stats look like. That's it on the whole. Feel free to mess around with it. You can splice and dice as much as you want with the report. You can't break it. If you have any questions, the first port of call would be your area manager. Second to that, by all means, call IT and we can run you through some of the features. Thank you.